Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. And Friday Friendly Kitchen, first of all, wishes all Muslim viewers a Ramadan month feast, or Ramadan, joyful Ramadan month. And also in our video today we are going to make barley water. Barley water, it's one of an important nutritious drink which is commonly sold in Malaysia. It comes in two versions, cold and hot. Today I will show you the warm version only if you want to, and I will give you the tips on doing the cold version. So let's get into the kitchen without further ado. And if you are, by the way, if you are somebody is new watching to this channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and also like the video at the end, and also click the bell icon and leave your comments below, whether it's negative or positive. I will surely get to your questions and I will answer. Thank you very much, and let's get into the kitchen without further delay. To begin this barley drink, we need a few ingredients. That is primarily barley, which is washed and 3-4 times and soaked in water for a few hours, approximately about 4-5 hours. And I also have 4 cups of water and half a cup of barley. The other ingredients are few pandan leaves and some salt. Traditionally, this barley drink is cooked on a stove for a long time, but today I'm going to speed up the process by using a pressure cooker. And the barley has already been added, and also the 4 cups of water. And also some salt, approximately about half a teaspoon or quarter teaspoon, up to you. And few pandan leaves that goes in. And now we shall cover the pot. And we shall start cooking. And with this, we shall turn on the stove and let it boil for approximately about 2 to 3 whistles on a medium flame. And dear viewers, the barley has already been cooked, and it has to be full in shape, but yet when you press it has to be smashed. This is how it's supposed to be. And so with the pandan leaves, and it is very tasty. And also the water is always cloudy. That's the way it is. So I will show you how in my assembling of this water. And dear viewers, all we need is 1 cup, some simple syrup or the sugar. If you are not sure how to make them, please see in the link below that I will show you how to make the simple syrup. And also, so the primary part is add some sugar. And then we'll add the barley water. So scoop up with the barley as well. and finally give a quick stir so that the sugar and the water gets mixed up, and this is how you make a barley water. And if you want a cold version, all you need to add is add the syrup, add the ice cubes, and add the water. So we are done with the barley water. So this is how you make a barley water. And dear viewers, here is our final product for the barley water, and which is called as well as the Kopitiam. Kopitiam is a Chinese word for coffee stall or coffee shop. So this is how it is being made, and you can use in Malaysia. It is very commonly sold everywhere, even especially in the Kopitiam. And you can get them in cold version or the warm version. Today I have made the warm version, so you can try out with the cold version as well, and both versions are pretty much good. So do try it out in your home and let me know in your comments. Thank you for watching for Friday Friendly Kitchen. If you are new, please click and subscribe and press the bell icon, and welcome aboard. And if you are being with me, thank you very much again. And all of you have commented, I thank you so much for my other videos. They are all perfect and they are all worthy to be answered. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.